Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 Bluetooth missing from device manager fix. First method is click Start, type services in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Open Bluetooth support service. Change startup type to automatic. Stop and start the service. Click Apply, OK. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click System, click Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Click Bluetooth, click Run. Third method is Open File Explorer. This PC, C drive, Windows folder. System 32 folder. Search FSQUIRT. Right-click, click Copy as Path. Create new shortcut with this path. Fourth method is click Start, type System Information, click System Information. Find your motherboard manufacturer and model name. Type manufacturer name and model number in browser search bar. Click Manufacturer website. Click Support. Select your OS and OS type. Click and expand LAN and Bluetooth. Download latest version. Click Start, type Device Manager. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.